a strong case for investors, multinational corporations, and technology companies to shift their strategic focus to Africa. The young, green continent of the future, and in so doing, capitalize on Kenya's geostrategic advantage as the gateway to the region and to the continent. A landscape of opportunity is unfolding on our continent. A vast market of 1.4 billion people has emerged under the Africa Continental Free Trade Area and the various interlocking regional economic blocs. Africa's population is famously young, now educated, skilled, and motivated. The continent is abundantly endowed with natural resources, including critical minerals required for the global transition into green industrialization. Our continent also has tremendous renewable energy potential, and Kenya is a front runner here. In a world imperiled by impending climate disaster occasioned by emissions from past industrialization, the greening imperative at hand is a matter of existential necessity. This makes Africa the global hub of the next industrial revolution. Mr. Vice President, listen to me again. I said, this makes Africa the global hub of the next industrial revolution. Kenya is the gateway to Africa. The future is here, and we shall imagine, design, and build it together with IBM and many others.